Don't even think about it. I got your mission. I'm going in there. Here's the chips.
Oh, he doesn't want the chips on top of it.
Are you happy with your chips on your back? You got it?
Don't. He's taking you're taking the round thing with you. You're not even going through it, babe. There you go. Now you got it. Go. Go.
Go, Jeremy. Get in the tent.
All right, Cormay.
Jeremy.
I'm taking a break.
You forgot your chips.
Cora, let him go.
I'll help you, Jeremy. Ow, your stink. Your feet stink.
Your face stinks.
No, your feet stink. Your chips
Are you supposed to be going through that, big boy?
That's the only way in.
No, I'm saying through the whole round thing.
Well, yeah, how else am I going to get in? That's the entrance. Thanks.
Jeremy farted in there?
No, what if he farts?
Oh.
Don't you dare take a picture.
Is it the He-Man Woman Hater Club?
If you come in, you're invited. If you don't come in, you're not invited.